I turned the horses out. We got almost over a foot of snow. They've been inside for 24 hours since the blizzard yesterday. And Dixie's feeling good. She's happy to be out. Like any little baby horse, she wants to get all the energy out of her. And the other guys are just lazy. What? Well, they did all their rolling already. Now they're just standing there looking at me. And of course, fence is down in some spots, so my electric might not be all cut out to what it should be. But hopefully they'll stay in. What are you doing, Dixie? Huh? And Sassy and Percy. You can tell how deep it is by them running. It's up to their knees. Sassy didn't roll yet. I'm waiting for her to roll. And Dixie's having fun. They're so funny. Oh, and Sassy fell. Good one, Sassy! And I caught that on camera. You busted your butt. You're elegant. There we go. They always kind of stay by the fence. Percy gonna roll again? Sassy can't catch a break. She wants to roll, but no one's letting her. Just lay down! What are you doing? Huh? Is your butt cold? Looks like your butt shivering. I feel so bad for her for not having a towel. But she'll get over it. Eventually. You're a nut, Dixie. She got some moves. She likes to play with Percy. I think she's also in heat. Oh, young love. Sassy gonna roll? Huh? Goodness. So funny. Okay, well, I'm going inside. I got little young chickens that I have to tend to that we just bought today. Gotta get their bedding. I came down here just to let the horses out. These guys are gonna stay up for a while.